Page 177, number 13. That's next up. So we have f of x equals 2x sine x minus 3x squared cosine of x. Okay, so we have product rule here. We have to use product rule twice, excuse me. So we have a product here, and we have a product here. So product rule, here we go. Derivative of the first is 2 times the second plus derivative of the second. So the second expression is sine. The derivative of sine is cosine times the first. All right, so that right there is the derivative of 2x sine x. Now I have to do the same thing. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this negative and make sure it's attached to that 3 because it's just going to be easier. Okay, so plus I'm adding that to the derivative of the second expression. So I have to do product rule here as well. So product rule says derivative of the first, which is 6x, times the second, plus derivative of the second. Derivative of cosine is negative sine times the first. Okay, so you're done with calculus. Now you've got to just do algebra cleanup. So I have 2 sine x plus 2x cosine of x plus 6x cosine of x minus 3x squared sine of x. So you do have some common terms. These two are common. You have 2x cosine of x plus 6x cosine of x. So that makes 8x cosine of x. And then the other you can't really combine. I don't really know the order. Personally, I would put the ones with the signs together first, but I don't think it really matters, so I'll just write it in the order that it occurs. 2 sine x plus 8x cosine x minus 3x squared sine of x. And then you're taking the derivative in terms of x, so I'm going to put that little dx right there to indicate that. And that's number 13.